Hello, future coding stars. Welcome to the world of endless possibilities where young minds grow, explore, and shine through the power of coding. At Future Coding Stars, we believe that every child has the potential to become a digital creator, a problem solver, and a thinker for the future. Our mission is to introduce coding to kids as young as 4 years old and guide them on an exciting journey all the way to advanced programming skills for teens aged 15 and beyond. What makes our courses so special? Well, they're built on the foundation of the latest software development knowledge. That means your learning is always fresh, relevant, and ready to keep up with today's fast-paced digital world. But it's not just about coding. Oh no! Our courses are designed to unlock creativity, boost problem-solving abilities, and sharpen critical thinking. You'll even get to strengthen your math skills and learn teamwork, because collaboration is a superpower in the coding world. Imagine this. One day, the skills you gain here could prepare you for real-world challenges, exciting job opportunities, or even help you invent something that changes the world. How cool is that? We're here to guide you step by step, helping you build the essential skills that are the building blocks for a bright future in tech. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into our courses today, and let's kickstart your exciting journey to becoming a future coding star. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson. Share this with your friends and family too, because learning is even more fun when we do it together.